because it's a long distance between us and our American partners, we thought that we could get together in a picture with Sumo Paint. After we had our pictures ready, we start cutting, me and Adi, using lasso tool. The big advantage of Sumo Paint is that you can work with different layers and then overlap them. We now use Ctrl+C to copy and then Ctrl+V to paste and place our cut picture over Jose's one. With Ctrl+T, we select the cut and then resize the picture in order to fit in the context. We take then Jojo's picture and do exactly the same thing. If you don't manage to make a perfect cut, you can then select the proper layer and use eraser tool to make some little adjustments. We do the same thing. We copy and then we paste our cut, and here we are, all four in the same picture. You can also see the layers. Each layer is one cut. You can select the visibility of layers, and this is something that is rarely in online photo editors. After finishing our work, we save the picture on our personal computer with JPEG or PNG extension and use them after that.